All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, sorry, just give me a second, please. I'm going to share my screen with you right now. And where is my Microsoft Word? Here. I'm going to have a little chart here. How many people are we? 6 people, right? Now I'm going to make this much bigger. Fantastic. Now, I will have okay. Maybe I'll have 2 groups. Yin and Wei, Matilda and Phone, Joshua and Yolanta, please.
Yeah.
Sorry, just quickly, let's just do this. So we now have groups. The transport word, and it goes on in the sky, and a pilot drives it. Now, just say me if you want your group to all right. Now, I've just changed my mind. We're going to play a spelling game only. And Yin and Wei, you're one group. Matilda and Phone, you're another group. Joshua and Yolanta, you're another group. If you want your group to give the answer first, you say me or us. Okay? And then that group gives me the answer first or has the first option. But if your group gets it wrong, another group gets a go. Okay?
Yep.
You want to get scores.
Yeah.
The first word is aeroplane. Anyone wants to spell it without looking at it?
Me?
A-E-R-O-P-L-A.
A-E-R-O-P-L-A.
No shouting out. No reading it out loud. You need to say me or us before you can give me the spelling. Yin and Wei, please.
A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E.
Fantastic. You both got a point. All right. Now, the next word. Scooter.
Guitar.
Anyone? Any group that wants to spell it? Scooter.
Guitar.
S.
No. Don't yell out. Tell me which group. Which group wants to do it? Scooter. Scooter.
S-C-O-T-T-E-R.
No. Say first. It's your group that wants to do it. Wait, Matilda, do you want your group to do it?
Yes.
Yes, Matilda's group.
Yeah.
So, Scooter, tell me, how do you spell scooter?
Guitar.
Yep.
Scooter. C
Scooter.
S S C O O T E
Matilda,
S.
wait. What's the first one? Careful.
S C
Good.
O double
Yep.
D E R.
Okay, excellent. And now we'll turn a blind eye on you reading it from somewhere. All right, Matilda's group has a point. Next word, everyone, is tram.
T-R-A-M, tram.
No.
T-R-A-M, tram.
Wait, group. Joshua, before you spell out, you need to tell me that it's your group that needs to do it, me or us. Wei said it. Wei, what is it?
T-R-A-M, tram.
T-R?
A-M, tram.
Yes, T-R-A-M, tram. Fantastic. And your point there. Ship.
Ship.
Up,
Yeah.
up, up.
Wait. Sorry, Yolanta, say me or us. Okay? Me or us. Wait.
S-I-P, ship.
Yay. Another point for Yin and Wei. Yin, hello, where are you? Yin? Now, helicopter.
Yeah.
Yolanta, is that Yolanta? Or Matilda, who was it? Who said?
Yeah. A
Matilda, go.
H-E-L-I-C
Matilda, no,
E.
no. H-E-L. Phone. Help Matilda. Phone.
Yep.
Help Matilda.
Helicopter or phone.
Phone.
H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R.
H-E-L.
H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R.
Yes, helicopter. Now, don't forget you cannot look anywhere else. Phone, you too, don't look at anywhere else. Okay? No books, no screens, nothing. You need to do it from your memory, except Matilda. Matilda, you're special. You're special. That's different with you. Okay. Matilda and Phone get another point. Coach. Yes. Wait.
C-O-A-C-H.
Gosh, you're fast. Great job. And what's a coach, everyone? Phone, what's a coach?
Bus. B-U-S, bus.
It's a bus.
Light bus.
Yes. Ferry.
F-E-R-Y, ferry.
No. Don't yell out. Yolanta, what did you say there? Me?
S-E-W-R-Y.
No. F-E-R-R-Y, ferry.
Yeah, double R. Excuse me.
Let's do.
Me.
F-E-R-R-Y, ferry.
Yes, Yolanta has got it as well. Joshua and Yolanta has a point. And the word is train.
T-R-A-I-N, train.
And I yell out.
T-R-A-I-N, train.
A-R-A.
Joshua, sorry.
I-N, train.
Joshua, wait, Joshua. Can you hear? Joshua.
T-R-A-I-N, train.
Don't spell. First say me or us. And then I say, okay, Joshua, you say it, then you spell. First, don't spell it out. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Wait, it's your turn.
T-R-A-I-N, train.
Train. T-R-A-I-N. Good job. Yin, where are you?
Nó nêu tập mà bị một lần thả nó biết
Okay, we got more. This one is not spelling. What do we do? If you want the train, you want to, let's say, go to school by train, what do you do to the train? Do you miss the train? What do you do?
Gate.
Someone says me or us.
Take off.
Me or us.
Up.
Yes. Best way.
Take off.
What's that?
Take off path.
Take off? No.
No. catch, catch,
Go on the bus or on the train.
catch, catch, or
Is a good one. Or take off? No, but take the train.
take the train.
Take the
What
train.
if you walk onto the bus or the train? What's that? So that you can travel on it.
Take
Take
the bus. Take the train.
What about the verb we use when we want to travel on the train or on the bus? What do we do when we walk onto the train? What's that word we use? What's that verb we use?
Get,
Catch? No.
get,
Get
yeah,
on.
The train.
Get on.
Get on.
Who said it?
Get on the train.
Yes,
The bus.
that's right.
Get on.
Was that you saying it, or get on? Who said it?
Me.
You say that.
I don't think that was you. Fine, I'm sure it was a lady.
Me, Yin,
Who was it? Sorry.
Oh.
Yin.
Yin? Sorry, Yin. I can't see you on my screen, so
Yeah.
okay. Next one. What if to be able to go to school, maybe you need 2 trains? So you catch one, you get on it, you get on it, travel, and then you stop, you get off, and you take another one. What do we
Change.
call?
Change.
Change.
Change the bus. Oh, change the
Ask
time.
and change. The ladies got it again. Fine, your answer was correct, but you didn't say me or us. Change.
Change the train.
What if you are done? You came to your station. Now you don't need to be on the train or the bus anymore. What do you do?
Was, ask,
Ask. Wait, say. What is it? What's the verb? Collocation. Pardon? Say the walk. No, but we walk out of the train or the bus. There is a verb for it. There is a collocation for it.
Get off.
Get off, but don't yell it
The
out.
train. Get off the train.
Get off.
The train.
Yes, the train. And this
Get off.
catch.
Miss the bus.
And what if your train, but don't forget to say me or us first. What if your train was at 9 o'clock, but you went there just at 9:01, 1 minute late? So what did you do?
ask,
Catch the train.
Come on,
miss,
we said us.
miss the train. Miss the
Miss
train.
the train.
Was that Yin saying it?
Miss the train.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Or bus or tram. All right. Now, just looking at what other words we used on for unit 7. Checking. Make sure you don't check. All right. Don't forget to say me or us first. Well, what is the opposite of slow? Opposite of slow.
Ask,
Fast.
Wait,
Fast.
fast,
Fast.
fast.
How do you spell fast, Way?
Fast.
Fast. Very good. What is the opposite of safe?
Ask,
Dangerous.
dangerous.
Fine. You
Dangerous.
have to first say us or me. Don't say it yet. So Yin, what is it?
Dangerous.
Dangerous. How do you spell dangerous?
DANGEROUS.
Woohoo! Look at that spelling, everyone. Great spelling there. Yin, what is the opposite of empty?
Full.
Full.
You said us. You'll have to say us first. Say us. Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Full.
Wait,
Full.
full. How do you spell full?
FULL.
Very good. And there is another word we can use. There is another adjective. It's opposite
Crowded.
of full. What would that be?
Us.
Crowded.
Us.
Empty.
Yin said us.
Empty.
No, Yin. Opposite.
Crowded.
Crowded. How do you spell crowded? Way again, because it's still us. No, way actually. Your group said us, but gave the wrong answer. Now another group's turn. Crowded. One group say me first or us first. Come on.
Us.
Yes, Yolanta, go.
CROWDED.
Yay, Yolanta. Sorry, Yolanta and Joshua. Where is your team member, Yolanta? Welcome back. You left Yolanta alone. Now, next one. What is the opposite of expensive? Me or
Cheap.
Yolanta first. Yolanta said it.
Cheap.
Yolanta said it. Yolanta, what is it?
Cheap.
Cheap. How do you spell cheap?
SHEAP.
Yolanta, no. Right again.
SH.
Nope. Wait, how do you spell it?
CHEP. Cheap.
Page. Yolanta, S, no. C. Page.
C.
Can you see the words on the screen as well, everyone? Yes. These are important. What's the opposite of dirty? Matilda, sorry, just one second. Matilda, what is the opposite of dirty? Opposite of dirty. Dirty? I know the word. Opposite of dirty.
Clean. Clean.
Sleep.
Matilda,
Yeah.
opposite of dirty is clean. How do you spell clean?
CLEN.
Thank you, Matilda.
Clean and
Clean.
H.
Now, Phone, can you help now, please?
Yep. Clean. CLEAN. Clean.
C-L-E-N.
EAN. Clean. CLE. Clean.
Clean. I'll give the point to them because Phone was able to get it. And I think that maybe it's everyone for vocabulary. That's it. All right. Well done, Yin and Wei. Really great job there. A great job there. Then Matilda and Phone. Then Joshua and Yolanta. Joshua and Yolanta, I know you knew lots of words, but you forgot to say me or us, so that you didn't get a turn to say it. All right. Well done.